Welcome to our winery. Today I'll show you exactly how California wine is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The sugars begin their conversion into alcohol, releasing carbon dioxide.
The yeast activity is spiking slightly above the projected threshold.
I see it. Rerouting nutrient flow to compensate.
Every batch is refined, monitored, and aged to perfection. Every bottle undergoes strict quality checks before leaving the winery.
And that's how California wine is made, from start to finish.